I got some good news. So instead of me going back to Louisiana, I am going to New York. I got an assignment through a company that I could not pass up. So in New York, here we come.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Cause everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing.
Alright, y'all, I'm in Atlanta on my way to Pittsburgh. Ooh, my hair look crazy. It's cool though.
It and just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
So y'all, ain't gonna believe this. My flight to New York got canceled 2 days in a row. They said they got 20 inches of snow. So I wasn't able to fly in. So I'm stuck in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and had to get a room just to get there. They just won't let me be great. But I guess I'll let y'all see my room in the meantime. In between time. It's the Hyatt place, I think is what it's called. Nothing special, just enough for the night. So the devil be easy, y'all. He don't want me to make this money. He don't want me to make this money.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey, even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. I'm cruising through the city. Had to get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving. Hey, who's coming with me? Swerve swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me. Ayy, got the pedal moving swiftly. Vibe like suns, and I had to raise them strictly. Wishing I could always stay this way. Ayy, chilling by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Yeah. Now break. Take it in, feel it all around. Take a breath, feel the wind, don't fake. Nah, that's a sin. Invest in yourself, liberate, dividend, cash it in, never spend, unless you chillin' with a friend. And he don't have the means to get his pocket filled with ends. Still a man is wishing I could always stay this way. Ayy, chillin' by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Though you're gone for